Myra was 11. She lived in a lively city estate in Lagos and was known by everyone as the Phone Princess. Why? Because her expensive, glittery smartphone never, ever left her hand. If she was brushing her teeth, phone. If she was crossing the busy Lagos streets, phone, to her mother's screaming horror. Myra didn't just use her phone, she worshipped it. Her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Peterson, tried everything. Myra, look at us when we're talking. Myra, bath time is not phone time. But their words bounced off her like rain on a metal roof. Myra just hugged her screen and smiled. It's not a phone, Daddy. It's my best friend. Her little brother, Kian, would whisper, Are you sure that phone didn't do jazz on you? Myra wasn't a bad girl, but the phone controlled everything. She poured salt instead of sugar in the mixing bowl because she was watching a dance video. When her dad told her, You cannot serve two masters, Myra replied, I'm only serving one, my phone. Her father fainted dramatically onto the couch. Her mother almost threw the phone into the Atlantic Ocean. The universe finally said, Challenge accepted. On a bright Saturday, the family went to Green Hills Park. Birds, trees, and fresh air. But Myra followed behind them like a robot, eyes glued to the screen. She didn't see the rainbow, she didn't see the rare butterflies, and she didn't even notice the monkeys swinging nearby. She sat under a big mango tree to plug in her power bank. But something tiny, naughty, and furry was watching. A monkey. The monkey saw the shiny phone. The monkey liked shiny things. In one swift move, the monkey snatched the phone and ran. Baby! Myra screamed so loud the birds flew away in panic. The chase was on. It was like a Nollywood action movie. Myra was jumping over puddles, dodging picnic tables, and nearly falling into a stream. An auntie selling puff-puff shouted, Hey,
You cannot chase
send
monkey
you.
like that.
You cannot chase monkey like that. Myra reached the tree and begged, Monkey, please, I'll give you banana. I'll give you puff-puff. The monkey tilted its head, looked at the phone, and dropped it. Myra reached out, her heart pounded. Almost there, almost. Splash! The precious phone landed face down in the stream, lights flickering, screen going black, kaput. Myra stared at the water like it had personally betrayed her. No! The next day, Myra's hand reached for her phone out of habit, but it grabbed only air. For the first time in years, she actually saw her family. She realized she had missed the rainbow. She had missed the laughter. I'm sorry, she whispered. I didn't realize I wasn't living. I was just scrolling. Her parents didn't replace the phone immediately. They gave her books, board games, and real conversations. At first, the silence felt strange, but slowly Myra started laughing more. She found her real friends more interesting than viral videos. Weeks later, her dad handed her a box. Inside was a simple, basic phone. Not shiny, not addictive. Your real phone comes later, her mother said, when we know you control the phone, not the other way around. Myra smiled. She didn't stop loving technology, but she finally learned the secret. Life is what happens when you look up from the screen. The lightning round. Q&A. Wait. Put your phone down for a second and see if you passed Myra's test. Question 1. Why did Myra's father faint on the couch at the beginning of the story? Answer, because Myra said she only had one master, her phone. He couldn't believe how addicted she was. Question 2. What happened to Myra's phone at Green Hills Park? Answer. A naughty monkey snatched it, ran up a tree, and eventually dropped it right into a stream. Splash! Question 3. What was the most important lesson Myra learned after her phone broke? Answer. She learned that life happens outside the screen. She started enjoying nature, her family, and real-life friends more than scrolling. Technology is a great tool, but don't let it become your boss. What's one thing you love to do without a phone? Drawing? Playing football?
Hit that subscribe button
and share this story with a friend who loves their phone a little too much. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.